This is about YellowDig. On the left-hand corner under the activities, there's a link. When you go in there, you will see there is a setup guide with a 5-minute tutorial. In addition, there is a PDF file on orienting you to YellowDig. Read that and watch that material. You can see here that I think it's a tool for your generation because you will share with classmates videos, photos, and links. You'll be doing about a dozen of them. Here's how the points work. Here is a little example. When you go in and you click here to comment, each week has it preloaded. You would go to week 1. This is where you will upload your mind map and answer the question, what motivates you to improve your communication skills? You would put it here, post it. Well, that in a nutshell is how YellowDig works. We're going to explore it and experiment together.